Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be installing some fidget spinners on my car just because, I never got to play with them, so now I'll be able to when I'm next to my car. And that is this right here. Let me take it out real quick. So it's a center caps for the wheels. This is how it looks like, and once I install it, it has a weight inside and only this center thing spins. So once I install it, it's gonna be the logo itself is gonna stay up all the time, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And when I drive, it's gonna spin, and it has some colors on it, so I won't be able, or like people won't be able to see the colors during the day, I guess, because it's kind of dim once I spin it, but at night you'll definitely see it. And I got the rainbow color, which is not really a rainbow because I guess it'll be a rainbow once you drive, because when I spin I see red, I see blue, green, and maybe white. I'm not exactly sure. I see teal, which is cool. So with that said, when I was looking at these, they had red, blue, white, and this rainbow, so I just decided to go for rainbow because blue or red doesn't really fit my car, and I don't think white would have been that good of a look either, so decided to go with this rainbow thing. I don't know how it will look, but we gotta see once I install it, and maybe get someone else to record me while I drive. So yeah, let's put them on. And to help me install it, I'm gonna use this suction cup thingy that I bought off Amazon for a couple bucks, and I'm gonna use this to take off my original ones that I have right now and install those. So let's go. So I'm gonna use the suction cup on the center it's not gonna work. I don't think this is gonna work. Let's see. Are you kidding me? Okay, it worked. Crazy. These are kind of heavy. Damn. So this is how it looks like compared to this. She sticks out a little more, which is pretty cool. This is flush, original, and this one kind of sticks out, which is cool, and you can spin it. So I have like a fidget spinner thing on my wheels now. So I'm gonna do the same thing here and on all sides. I'm just gonna record this side, and the rest I'll just do off camera because it makes no sense to record all four doing the same thing. Alright. There's some rust inside. Interesting. And also, you guys see, this used to be red. Now the color faded. And also the red doesn't really fit my car anymore. So it's cool that I finally got these. Okay. Alright, it's installed. So I installed the center caps and they actually look nice and better than I expected, because I didn't expect it to stick out a lot more than the originals, because the originals one are flush with the wheel. So these stick out and they look pretty nice, not gonna lie. The only negative is that they're kind of heavy, so that adds to the wheel. And with that said, I'm gonna replace my lug nuts with some titanium ones, so I guess it's gonna be a balanced out with that, and it should add a pretty nice look with to what I have now with the lug nuts. And yeah, let's see if I can record myself driving. I'm gonna place a camera somewhere and hopefully no one steals it. Alright, let's try this. So I tried my best to record it, but for some reason this is just not happening, I guess. I'm gonna try some more with an action camera, and if I did, then you guys are gonna see it in this video, and if not, then I don't know how to record it, because you need it to be dark to be able to see it, and it's mostly gonna spin when you're going high speeds, because I'm just rolling and it's not really spinning. So you gotta go at least like 25 or 30, I believe, for it to actually like spin pretty decently, because I roll, it kind of starts moving a little bit but doesn't really spin. So it mostly just stays up with the logo. So I don't know, it's kind of weird, but at the same time, like, that's probably the right way for it to work. So you gotta go fast for it to spin, because it's kind of heavy and all that. Damn, it's hot here. Let me turn the AC up. It's super hot. And now it's super loud. I'll leave it at 5. So yeah, I tried with 2 cameras and it just wouldn't spin, and I'm just rolling basically, and if I go fast you can't really see anything because it just happens so quick. And also it's pretty sunny outside. It's like super sunny, crazy, because when I try to walk, I went to a store before this video and I just couldn't see anything. I couldn't open my eyes, so I just kept my head down because it's just too sunny. So because of that, I feel like it's just super hard to see anything, like anything spin. And I'm back. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed these caps. Yeah, hubcaps. No, hubcaps. They're not hubcaps. They're just center caps. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these center caps. Thank you for watching, because I definitely enjoyed them. It took about a month to get them, and I ordered them from some Chinese website, I think. They also have it on AliExpress and on Amazon. I believe on Amazon it's like almost 2 times more the money, and it also says it's gonna take a while to come. So yeah, I feel like this website is the best. Where I got it from, it was 60 bucks, so 15 for each. I think on Amazon it's like over 100, honestly. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you guys want to check it out for Amazon and for the website where I got it from, so you guys can compare or whatever. They pretty much are the same, and they come from the same manufacturer. So I found a couple of websites, and one had some colors, the other one didn't. So this website had the rainbow one that I got, so it shines green, blue, red, whatever, all the colors. And other websites that I saw, maybe Alibaba or AliExpress, whatever, or maybe some other website, they actually didn't have this color, they had like basic colors like red, blue, green, and maybe white, and that's it. So this one has the rainbow color, which is pretty cool as well. And they actually state on their website that there's another Amazon seller that sells the same thing, but they're way more money and the same shipping. So you guys can check it out down below. Like I said, make sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.